Does storytelling improves our communication skills? See, I just experienced this with my students. In my class, when I asked students to talk in general terms about their daily activities, they are unable to speak. But when I ask them to tell something about their unforgettable experiences or some of their past memories, it comes out so easily. They don't think about their grammar. And actually, in fact, when they start speaking, the level of their speaking skills goes really high. I don't know from where they get their vocabularies. It just keeps flowing. So that's how I found that talking about the past memories or some histories or works out much better. So storytelling, it sounds to be a good way of improving our communication skills. I feel storytelling is a remarkable tool for helping students to develop speaking and listening skills. When they learn to tell tales, I mean to tell stories, they take their speaking skills to a whole new level, and they learn to speak clearly with intention and care for their audience. Storytelling activity activates a function in the brain called neural coupling, which enables the listener to convert the ideas presented in the story into his or her own ideas and experiences. This makes the content in the communication strategy more personal and relatable. In fact, to start, break the story into three parts: the problem, the journey, and the solution. In other ways, we can say the setup, the struggle, and the success. Please do not fail or forget to tell about your success, because every story has an end. So when you talk about your struggle, also share about your success. That motivates people to do more. So even in business talks, you can talk about a small stories. It helps you a lot. In fact, storytelling in business, how do we go ahead with this? Keep the story simple yet relatable. You don't need a plot twist and character arcs. You need a story that will resonate with your audience. If you're pitching to a client, align your problem with something they have experienced themselves. Moreover, engage emotions. If for example, if you're asking someone to do something like sign up to your product, then you have to make them care. If I say, you guys please sign up my products, come and join my class, will you join? You won't. You need to know more about me, and you need to know more about my products, and I need to get connected with you. Unless you are getting connected, I don't think you'll be able to join my course. So unless until you are very lucky, your offering won't be the only one in the market. To make yours the one they choose, engage their emotions when you tell your stories. For example, describe the trials you overcame in building your company so it was ready for sale. Or rather than simply talking about clients, describe the people involved in your previous deals and the success and personal benefits it's delivered to them. uh, you can also hear that like consumers will give more money to the businesses they feel emotionally connected to. And keep in mind, stories should always be from your heart. I'm sure you can talk about other stories, but the emotions or the feelings will not be true. So when you are telling your own stories, your own sufferings, I'm sure it has to be from your heart. um, I mean, try to make it very relatable, and see that you get kind of the audience. Nowadays you see lots of international motivational speakers, all the speakers around, they start getting connected with people by telling their own stories. The best communicated today are the ones who engage with their audience on a personal level, inviting them to hear their story and ensuring it lives up to expectations. Master the skill, and you will be on your way to becoming an effective communicator. So, today, who's ready to make a story? So, if you have any stories, please comment below below my video, and I would be happy to read your stories. So, start doing this. Take an action immediately. I repeat again, when you are telling your stories, tell your own stories from the bottom of your heart, and people get connected. And always see that the stories are relatable. So thank you so much for hearing. I'll be waiting for your stories in my videos, below my videos. Until then, it's your Anuradha Shri, your career communication coach. See you. Bye bye. Thank you. God bless you.